Hi, it's Jacqueline, here to show you how to set up a new Gusto account. We're here to help you at each step of the way with tools, checklists, and our team of experts. To begin, add the company's address. You'll need to enter every address where employees physically work in the US, including remote employees. If there's different addresses for mailing and tax filing, uncheck the boxes and add them here. When you're finished, review the information and click to continue. Next step, add employees. Fill out the basics, compensation, and time off if there's a policy in place. Our self-onboarding feature means that employees can set up their own Gusto account and fill in their information online, including their contact details, tax preferences, and bank account. Onboarding documents will be e-signed and securely stored in Gusto for both you and the employee to access at any time. With the Complete and Concierge plans, you can customize a warm welcome email for new hires. Gusto takes it from here and will notify you when the documents have been completed. You can continue adding employees, and if the business owner is paid by W-2, they'll need to be added as well. The next step asks for the company's Federal Employer Identification Number, which you can find on Form CP-575 sent by the IRS via snail mail. Then select Company Type and enter the full legal entity name. We'll also need state payroll tax account numbers and any associated rates and deposit schedules for every state where an employee works. If you need help getting started, check out our Help Center for a state-by-state breakdown. Add in the SUI and ETT rates and EDD account number. These rates vary from state to state and can typically be found in your online account. When you're finished, review the information and click to continue. Next, you'll set up the company bank account. Enter the business's checking account information so we can debit taxes, wages, and our monthly fee. We use a service called Plaid to securely and instantly verify the bank account. We can also verify it manually if preferred. When choosing to verify the account manually, click the checkbox to acknowledge the 2-day delay on payroll. All right, we're halfway through and on to adding the pay schedule. First, choose a pay schedule template. These allow the company to organize pay schedules by compensation type, individual employee, or by department. But for now, we're going to use everyone on the one pay schedule. Select the pay period for employees. Requirements vary by state, so check in on your state's regulations as a first step. Next, choose a day of the week, first pay date, and the work done period. If the company uses multiple pay schedules, go to the Company Settings tab for setup. On to previous payrolls. If payroll was run during the calendar year, share the employee's payroll history with Gusto so we can accurately calculate and report taxes at year-end. If this is the first payroll that the company has ever run, you can breeze on by. Make sure that all current employees are accounted for, and then do the same for dismissed employees so we can generate all required W-2s. To stay organized, check out this simple checklist that has the pay stub information you'll need. Depending on when the employee was hired, you'll need their final pay stub from the last quarter and all pay stubs from the current quarter. Now we're ready to roll. Enter the employee's year-to-date wages, taxes, benefits, reimbursements, and net pay. To ensure that no employee or pay run has been left out, review your previous payroll provider's year-to-date report. If the employee didn't work for a pay period, then simply unclick the Mark as Issued box. Wondering about a faster way to do this? Ask about our free payroll setup service. Okay, now we're on to the home stretch. We'll need the company's authorized signatory to e-sign some documents. This gives Gusto permission to run payroll and file taxes. If you're the signatory, click yes. If not, click no and let us know who to contact instead. Fill in the signatory personal details and home address. E-sign the direct deposit authorization and Form 8655 reporting agent authorization. This allows Gusto to file forms and make payroll tax deposits on your behalf. State-specific documents live here too. To make sure the team gets paid on time, we need to verify that we can debit and credit funds from the company's bank account. So check on it in 2 days for a few test deposits from Gusto, then enter the amounts to complete verification. If the company is switching from another payroll provider mid-quarter, there may also be outstanding tax payments to square away. So let us know if any payroll taxes haven't yet been paid, and if so, we'll debit those liabilities from the company bank account and make the tax payments when required. To select the industry category for the business, search by keyword or industry code. If the industry doesn't pop up, go ahead and enter the description in the text box. You made it to the end with one last bonus step: selecting the apps you're interested in connecting with Gusto to make running the business as easy as possible. You did it! The company is officially set up and ready to run payroll.